Good morning. India's first Ironman 70.3 is set to begin here at Miramar Beach, Goa. We have with us the chairman of the organizers, Yoska, co-founder Deepak Raj here with us, and managing director of Ironman Asia, Geoff Mayers, is also with us. Deepak, it's a momentous occasion for India, isn't it?
It is, and we're very excited with the fact that it's a good milestone, and hopefully it just grows from here.
Geoff, Ironman coming to India, was it one of the dream of Ironman Asia as such?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, look, we're all around the world, and to be the second biggest populated country in the world, not to be here. So it's a big milestone for India and for Ironman. Our company is very happy to be here. Look, and the excitement here is palpable. So this is only the start. The Indian athletes, I think, are going to be a real force for the future.
Deepak, participation of 1,000 plus triathletes from all over the world, and majority of them from India, does that thrill you?
It certainly does. I mean, the support from the community in the last few years has been great, and to see that many people show up, and just not 1,000 plus participants, there's so many other people here to watch the sport, so it's really exciting.
Geoff, you said at the press conference that Ironman is also helping boost tourism in a country that it goes. So Goa being a tourist paradise, this would bring a lot of boost to the economy here, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we're very much a tourism company like a sports company. If you look at doing an Ironman as such an aspirational achievement, you're not going to come here by yourself. You're going to bring your family, your friends. I know some of the Indian athletes here have got a cheering party of up to 20 or 30 people. So that all adds to the economy, the hotels, the restaurants. So yeah, I think Goa will get a great boost out of this weekend.
You must be pleased with the weather conditions here this morning at Miramar.
Definitely. I mean, it may get hot and humid later on, but look, it's nice right now, and hopefully it stays like this so that everybody can have a great race.
Oh, it's a great moment for all of us, especially in India, because an international event has come to India. So this is my second Ironman event, but first 70.3 race. I'm really excited because I am from Gurgaon.
We are from Gurgaon.
So how do you feel today morning?
Excited, really excited. Was waiting for it for almost 9 months.
You've been participating, your family is here to cheer you.
Yes, exactly.
How does that make you feel?
It's amazing. We have come all the way just to cheer him up.
First time. Have you done triathlon before?
No, this is the first triathlon, but we've done several in training though. Several in training. Yeah. Many Olympics?
Many mock events that we do to prepare ourselves so that we can prepare for this big one.
So which is your best area? Swim, cycle, run?
Cycle and run.
More or less almost same in all the three. Yeah.
Bad in all three.
But still you want to enjoy it. That's the spirit.
एकदम उमेदीचो दीस हो गोंयकारांक लागून आनी आमी इतले आतां सदां डेली रेग्युलर वॉक घेता हांगा पूण आज मुद्दम वॉक चुकोवन हांगा पळोवपाक आयिल्ले आसा पूण आमचे गोंयकार हांगा म्हाका कमी दिसता
27 गोंयकार पार्टिसिपंट्स आसा ते सोदून काडपाक मातशें
कठीण जाल्यार कांय कळना मागीर गोंयकारांक सगळ्यांक हांव ऑल द बेस्ट म्हणटा आनी अशेंच सदांच बरे बरे प्रोग्राम घडोवन येवचे गोंयांत सो गोंयचें नांव बरें वयर वचचें.
हांव फर्स्ट टायम आयला पूण आमी केन्ना एवरी मॉर्निंग आमी हांगा येता वॉकाक पूण आयज हें समथींग डिफरंट क्युरियोसिटी बाबा हें कितें वॉट इज आयर्नमॅन आमकांय सारकें खबर नाशिल्लें वॉट इज आयर्नमॅन म्हण आतां कळ्ळें एक पार्टिसिपंट आमकां सांगलें वॉट इज म्हणून दिस इज गुड समथींग हॅपनिंग इन गोवा.
Yeah, we do our training runs, training rides. We have been training. Yeah, Hyderabad. Yes, Hyderabad.
So you've been doing triathlon regularly?
Training for it regularly, not taking part in as many events.
Participating for the first time
in an Ironman, yes, first time.
Yes, this is also my official Ironman first one, but I've done some local events prior to this. It's great atmosphere, 1,000 participants. This kind of an event first time happening in India, so wanted to be part of the historic event.
Philippines, wow, wonderful. So Ironman does happen in your country as well?
Yes. We actually live in Pune.
Wow.
Yes, and then we came here for the first Ironman in India.
Yeah. Working in Pune?
Yes. We're assigned in Pune as of now.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how does it feel to be here? How's the weather? How has been your practice?
We're happy, and now we're looking forward to take the challenge.
We're here to cheer on our buddy. He's the only Canadian doing the race today.
And how does that feel to be in India for the first time? Ironman 70.3 coming here as well.
Very cool. Yeah.
Occasion.
Oh man, it's going to go down in the history books.
Flag off जाता. Last batch now entering the water. So that's more than 1,000 participants inside the sea now for the 1.9 kilometer swimming event to begin with in this Ironman 70.3. And there you can see him. He's the first man out from the 1.9 kilometer swim. सर ही आयर्नमॅन जी एक्टिविटी आसा ती वचत त्या देशांनी थंयची इकॉनॉमी बूस्ट करता हे हाजी हिस्ट्री आसा आनी तशेंच तुमकां हातूंतल्यान गोंयाक कितलो बूस्ट जातलो अशें दिसता
It is automatically when the 27 countries जो participate जाता हांगासर आनी ऑल टुगेदर द 1000 आयर्नमॅन जेन्ना स्टेटीन येता ताज्या बरोबर जे रिलेटिव्स जाता आनी हेका लागून इट इज एन वर्ल्ड वायड वी हॅव नोन फॉर द ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑफ द आयर्नमॅन एक्टिविटी definitely it will give the boost for the not only the economy, for the tourism and everything. It will give the boost for our state.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sawant, for supporting this activity and bringing it to Goa. And we expect many more big ticket sports events to come here and boost our tourism as well.
Thank you. आम्ही म्हटलं तशें we are boosting now the sports tourism, we are boosting the medical tourism, adventure tourism, so different types of tourism. जोपर्यंत आम्ही boost करिना तोपर्यंत एक टुरिजमाक नवीन आयाम दिवप शक्य जावचें ना. त्या खातीर आमकां अशा वेगळ्या पद्दतीचो टुरिजम जे आसा हे गोंयांत प्रमोट करप अत्यंत गरजेचें आसा. ते ऑलरेडी आमी स्टार्ट केल्लें आसा.
पहिलेच खेप जाता इव्हेंट तरी पूण 27 गोंयकार पार्टिसिपेट जाता ही सुद्धा एक प्राऊड फिलिंग आसतलें.
Yes, very much. आणि 27 आता कमी झाल्या. We are looking at a bigger number. We are looking for more women participation.
Sure.
This company which is doing this with our help, I am doing their Goa operations. They are also having plans for Goa to make Goa as a fitness center, to get all the training programs in place to train the people. There are a lot of programs which are planned. There is something called Iron Kids. Iron Kids is for small kids. It is a small program. Probably we'll do it in coming months or something. And then we'll engage the kids also, the schools also. There are big things in plan. This is the beginning.
सो तुम्ही पळोवपाक शकता आतां 1.9 किलोमिटर स्विमा उपरांत आतां सुरू जाला 90 किलोमिटराची सायकलिंग. मिरामार बिचा वयल्यान स्विमींग जाल्या उपरांत ट्रान्झिशन एरियान वचून सगळे जे आयर्नमॅन 70.3 चे पार्टिसिपंट्स आहात ते सायकल्स घेवन आपापल्यो सगळे हांगाच्यान माउंट करीत चल्ले. 15 वचून टर्न मारून परत येवन हांगा टर्न मारून दोनापावल रोडार वचून अशें लूप करून 90 किलोमिटरचे सायकलिंग एक्टिविटी आतां जातली. Pablo Herat, he has done swim, cycle and run. The champion triathlete as he has been winning in Goa. Now he has won the first Ironman 70.3 to be held in India. And in Goa he has completed 70.3 miles, 113 kilometers. Pablo Herat from Switzerland. What a great performance by Pablo to complete this. The greatest triathlon in the world, a series called Ironman 70.3 happening first time in India.
Happy about the Indian top athletes' performance today. I'm the most happy man because I saw that, if I saw it correctly, that the top of the age group podium actually goes to my Indian friend. That's the greatest gift. And my performance is a completely different topic, but this is the high priority, and that really touches me and motivates me extremely to see. Could see what the role models, the Indian role models, were doing here today, and that should be a great inspiration, not only to in the future win age group races, but to win professional races as well. And I think in the next 10 years we will have a few Indian athletes that belong to the top of the world, the way the things are developing at the moment. So I'm extremely happy.
Coming to your timing, are you happy with your Ironman performance?
You know, my race was extremely difficult. Bike was okay, but already after 2 kilometers on the run, my body fell apart completely. So I had to run 19 kilometers just fighting my way through, not looking at the watch anymore, and really hoping to get to the finish line. And that is what, of course, gives me great satisfaction today, that I managed to get here and I managed to, you know, feel the embrace of all of the people around here. It's just wonderful, fantastic. And I'm completely empty, both psychologically and physically.
You've been a warrior, Pablo. You're now going to New Zealand World Championship next year?
Actually, my wife Lucia and I, we are expecting a baby in December, so that's highest priority at the moment. Let's see what the next year brings, but no decisions today. No.
Well done, Pablo. It's been a pleasure watching you train and perform like this.
Thank you so much, and a huge thank you to my home crowd here in Goa. Without their support, I would not sit here.
Yeah, this is a great experience. We were expecting the weather to be much worse than what it was. But thanks to all you guys, I think you must have prayed very heavily. The weather has held up. Sure. The rain hasn't come. It's a great course, and except for the conditions of the road, which are not too great, it was pretty well organized, much better organized than I expected it would be. Volunteers are fantastic. The local support was great. I'm sure Goa deserves an Ironman every year.
Wonderful. What's your age category, sir?
I'm 60-64 category. My finish time is like 6:32.
6 hours 32 minutes.
6 hours 32. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, hello. My name is Arjun. This is my 11th half Ironman. Yeah, first time in India, excited, and today I placed second in my age group and the 8th overall in the race. Great race organization. The Yoska team did a fantastic job. The swim was a little bumpy with the ropes and the waves, but I mean the first aid team did a good job on that, and thanks to the lifeguards as well, everything was perfect. Road, again, as everyone agrees, it was bumpy, slightly challenging, but the traffic was well managed, and we thank the city of Goa and the collector for all of the support. Run was hard, and overall I would say it's one of the tougher courses in Asia. Initially it seemed easy, but yeah, it is tough. Next year maybe, yeah, definitely I'll come back next year.
What was your
timing? My time was 5:18.
And are you satisfied with your effort?
Yeah, fine for today.
He's qualified for the World Championship in Tapa.
Wonderful.
Already.
That's great news. We have also many young Indians who
young
very
Indians.
well.
It was a competitive race, so yeah, even coming to 8th also was quite a task today.
And my wife did a very good job in the last moment. She ride superb, tremendously on the bike leg, and I'm so happy. So we couple finished the first 70.3 triathlon.
I just want to thank my guide. He's the one who gave me support. Yeah. He was the motivation pushing me. So thank you very much.
Do you do a triathlon regularly?
I have done. This is my third Ironman.
Third Ironman.
Yeah.
It's been held in Colombo as well.
Yes, two Colombo in one in this in here.
One in India.
Yes.
How would you say your performance was here?
Just pushing, challenging myself. So I'm asking others to challenge their limits and make impossible possible.
Great.
Just to add on to that, we had two punches, and with all that, this guy kept it together and he kept on pushing. What effort this guy made, and on the run he was pushing it from the start. I mean, I am blessed to be running next to him because he was pushing everyone else. It's an emotional feeling.
Thank you, Goa. My first, right. My first Ironman, and in Goa, super special.
It can't get better than
Cannot get better.
I'm a gastrologist. I'm a doctor.
Okay.
Okay. I had joined this location, but still I thought I'll come and do it.
Great spirit.
Okay. I had a good time. The crowd was good. There were a lot of support in Goa. People was just seeing the name and shouting without knowing me. So the crowd was great.
We have with us multiple-time Ironman 70.3 finisher Jamie. Jamie, you haven't participated in India's first Ironman, but overall, how has been your experience?
Oh, it's so inspiring seeing 78% of the field did their first 70.3 triathlon today. And it is the most, I think, for an inaugural event, we've never had so many of the countrymen from that event compete in it. So we had 96% of the field were actually Indian. Today we saw a few of the guys that came over the line first, second and third. They were Indians and they were in the 25 to 29 age group. Their time is very, very competitive with the times they're doing all around the world. So that's exciting for the sport of triathlon in India going into the future.
आमच्या बरोबर आसा आमचो गोंयचोच विल्बर्ट इंडियाज फर्स्ट आयरनमॅन 70.3 तुवें कंप्लीट केला कशें तुका ओवरऑल एक्सपिरियन्स कसो
खूब हॅपी बरें आहा तें and it was a very difficult course so yeah it was good आनी मातशें गरमी so it was good very nice आनी but the organization was beautiful हय आनी आमी आतां now we are just waiting for the other Goans to finish हय आता जातले आय थिंक
ओवरऑल टायमिंग तुजो कितलो आयलो आनी
6:30
सॅटिस्फाईड विथ
आमची कितें यू नो दिस इज एंड्युरन्स म्हणजे ते फिनिश करूंक जाय
एब्सोल्युटली
हय दिस इज माय सेकंड वन पयले हांव कोलंबो गेले देर आय डन इट इन 6 hours बट थिंगा कितें ते फ्लॅट कोर्स वय खूब फ्लॅट आसले वय आय खूब वय डॉन पावलो एंड ऑल दॅट तो बरें आहा न्हू म्हणजे मातशें चॅलेंजींग आहा
So you're part of history now, being the participant finisher in India's first 70.3.
Why? But it's exciting. Main ye ki you know that moh gasuk, you know, like that fun has to be there, and I do it for the fun.
Absolutely, you love every moment of the sport.
Yeah, it's great. You know the toughness, the this,
endurance.
And you know the first Ironman happened in Goa. We said we have to do it now.
So it was great. Love to have more Goans next Ironman.
Yeah. I mean, I think youngsters might be a bit more difficult because I think now this is more for people for 30 plus and all that because endurance. Yeah, and then it's expensive and all that. So obviously it's not for everybody. But it's great. I mean, you know, to do this, much excitement and all that. But it's nice, you know. On Goa, don't think they've been doing your triathlons and all that, adventure breaks and all that.
So what we need is Goans to have a good lifestyle, triathlon lifestyle.
Yeah. And we've got our sea here, and half our Goans don't swim.
Absolutely.
And in the pool hoita. Chogle mutta na kampal bonda and all that. But I'm like, the sea is there.
Just dive in. Well done.